there's a return. It'll return up. You have to feed it in and feed it through. There's a stop here. Roll table in on the other side. We'll just shut it down so we can talk here. Here's your roll in feed. Looks to be about at least 6 feet to 8 feet are in feed. And same with your out with the little sliding and locking down. Okay, here's your control. It was at one time, I think, a fully automatic, but they stripped the hydraulics off it, and it's a manual saw. But it's got some pretty good capacity, which will be spelled out in the quote. Thank you.